Oh, so now I'm back with you guys.
We got what?
So I had these guys coming up the hill. Need him to push a button?
I have no idea.
Now?
Yes.
Hey!
If they can only make taxes that easy. Ice cream! Did I ever tell you I like ice cream?
I may have deduced that at this point.
Alright, we're doing our descent back down High Rock Road.
Right. That was very cool.
Yeah, this one is the cooler thing to come visit in Central Maryland.
So let's repeat the story for our viewing audience.
So High Rock at one point was a launching platform for hang gliding. But they have since shut that down when the restricted flight area above Camp David was permanently expanded.
And that's the rest of the story.
Alex, do you know when they made the restriction permanent for Camp David?
It's always longer ago than I thought.
Gotcha. So it wasn't like a 9/11 thing or anything like that?
No. With 9/11, they started expanding it when the president was up there.
Right.
But it was always, pre-9/11, it was always there.
These speed bumps are no joke.
I don't mind.
Well, of course you don't mind them. You have 9 inches of travel.
I just stand up a little.
Ooh, that's a very sharp turn.
Yes, I probably should have warned you guys.
No, it's all right. Just snuck up on me faster than I thought. I was in the wrong gear.
Yeah, left. Turn left. That's not a sign.
Is that a left turn horn?
That would have been 2 beeps.
When I first got the FTR, every time I wanted to turn left, I beeped the horn.
Nice.
It was so awkward.
We're going to turn left again.
Wes is going to be at work next week. Wes, what'd you do over the weekend? Big smile on his face. Nothing.
Had ice cream.
That's some ice cream.
I definitely needed this.
Yeah. I think we all did.
We are going to go straight across this road.
Oh, yeah. Good old Penmar.
I believe we are clear from the left. I'm going.
You're good, Doug.
Yep. Thank you.
We're back in Pennsylvania, by the way, for the moment.
Music! Yeah, so you can see High Rock. It's kind of at your 9 o'clock there. To the
9 o'clock.
Alright, and we are coming up on ice cream. Right out here.
Stopping for some ice cream, brother!
Oh, there's plenty of places to park, though.
Yeah.
We'll just box in that other motorcycle, park all around it like a swarm.
Ventureman! This is the whole purpose of our trip. It's ice cream. It's the sole purpose of this whole trip, just to have some ice cream. All the rest of the stuff, just fluff. Poor critters.
Oh.
Hey, Doug?
Yes.
Can you pull up next to me and tell me if my thing is recording or if it's just sitting still?
It's counting up. Little blue numbers counting up.
Yep.
Ice cream, brother. That was really good.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite ice cream spots. We're going to turn left, stop sign up here.
So who was it that scoffed at me for saying ice cream today? Somebody. One of you guys.
Wasn't me.
I might have scoffed in the manner that you said it.
Oh, this is Stinky Farm.
Yeah.
Yep. I remember this
And
place.
it smells just as good as it did last time.
Oh my God. Wes! Jeez!
Smells like America!
Let me at least pull your finger first. Hey Wes, you know what we ought to do tomorrow?
What's that?
Go ride through a tropical storm.
We should.
Yeah.
Just the edge of it, though.
Yeah.
I don't know if you're going to have a choice on that.
Yeah, that's kind of the joke.
I don't want a bickle. Just want to ride my motorcycle. Do I predict a left turn coming up?
Yep, we're going to turn left with light onto Maryland 77.
No trucks over 40 feet. This is going to be a good road.
Yep, sure is.
I don't want to die. Just want to ride my motorcycle.
Cool.
Poor Scotty's going to have to put music to all of this. I don't want to die.
Yeah. Do you think the static goes onto the recording?
Yeah, yep.
Can you feel it get colder as we go up?
Yeah, I could definitely feel it all of a sudden. Look at that. Oh, picture time.
Hello. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, we're here.
Go for
They're just letting us by. How nice! Wave! And we are very soon going to be entering Kentucky Mountain National Park.
So this is Alex's stomping grounds in here, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
And we're probably going to lose you again, Alex, so we'll be back.
We'll be back. Cunningham Falls, named after Richie Cunningham.
Of course.
Yep. And he's
Welcome
back.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Hello, American. Cheerio, pip pip, and all that. Tally bally ho.
We are probably stuck behind that Prius for the rest of the mountain.
More than likely, yeah.
Look at Jed's. I love that guy.
And he was right on me.
Oh, yeah, he was hanging off the edge of the bike.
For a minute there, I was doing my ride by myself pace.
And he's right with you.
Yep.
Yep.
That tells me I probably couldn't follow him at his ride by himself pace
No.
up in Vermont.
No.
We got a real sharp corner here.
Gotcha.
Just be careful, watch out for bumps and stuff in the road.
They get those rocks hanging off the inside of the corner. You could catch a shoulder on that, you know?
Bang your head on them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's some trees, too, that are right up at the edge of the road. On the inside of the corner.
To the left here is a really nice trout stream. It's fly fishing only.
Oh, cool.
Got a pretty healthy population of natural brook trout. Right turn permitted without stopping.
So weird. What kind of trees are these? Are these weird? Like figs or something?
Those are giant bonsai trees.
They grow really fast. I moved to Montana, raised giant bonsai. We got absolutely nothing out of that. And we're back.
All right, do we have everyone here?
Everybody except Scotty Amen.
I'm going after this Mustang.
Going
You
after
do
him.
have an acceleration lane.
Awesome.
It's an orchestra.
It is. Concoct holler.
All right, so this, I'm probably going to lose you guys.
Have fun storming the castle. There, now we can talk. You kids just run along and play.
I just get paranoid with blind hills and curves and stuff like that.
You want me to go in front? Am I talking to myself?
No, I can hear you, but I can't understand you. There's too much static. It's So I know you're talking, but I can only pick out really one word in 10. It's like listening to somebody yell at me in German.
This is just gorgeous in here, isn't it?
It really is. This is an absolutely fantastic road.
Isn't it neat? Look at that house over there. Oof.
I can't look to the side too much. I'm trying to stay alive. Oh, hey, I can see him.
There.
Although these roads are less technical, I would have figured they'd have been even more gone.
No, he's slowing down to wait for us for the turn. Sorry to burst your bubble there.
No, well, I actually appreciate it. I just figured they would wait for us at the next stop sign.
Mm-hmm. How did we get a truck in between us? Where did he come from?
I don't know. One of those other roads back there.
Yeah, it must be.
What a weird truck to be on this road, though. Whoops, there they are.
Saw that truck had gotten between us.
It was just that truck.
Yeah, but I didn't know, like, how far behind you were, so I figured I'd do the right thing and pull over and let us regroup. Because we got
It's all
an intersection coming up.
GPS has me off in the middle of the woods somewhere right now.
Cell and GPS signal is problematic
Yeah.
on the south.
It's all the
Residential reasons.
yeah. I was gonna say all the jamming that goes on here for yeah. We're being jammed.